Alright guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to back up a small trailer with a compact pickup truck. This is something pretty simple to do, but a lot of people don't know how to, so let's get right to it. Back the truck up, first thing you're going to want to do is put your truck in reverse, so up here or in your freaking stick shift. What this is going to look like, so the steering is where it all comes down to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look over at the trailer, I'm going to start the truck rolling, and then my hand is continually moving. You can see my hand moving back and forth, back and forth. These are just small little movements, and what these do is these keep the trailer going straight. So these keep the trailer going straight behind me, keep it going where I want it to go. You can't just back the truck up and expect the trailer to go where you want it to go without moving the front wheels. A lot of people will try to back the truck up, they'll start the truck going straight and they'll figure that the trailer will go straight along with the truck. Well, that's not how it works. The trailer's gonna start wanting to fishtail, it's gonna go all over. That's where you have to continually be moving the steering wheel to get the trailer to go the direction you want. All right guys, so moving the trailer to the right or to the left. Now this is what screws a lot of people up, because this is a little bit more challenging, because the tail end of the truck is going to move in the direction you're used to when you turn the steering wheel, but the tail of the trailer is going to go the opposite way. So what this means is you need to move the truck, then the trailer, then the truck, then the trailer to get the trailer to go where you want. This sounds confusing, but it's really not complicated once you get the hang of it. So as with normal, let's see what this looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the trailer going to the right and to the left. So you watch my hand and I'll cut to the video in the back and we'll see how this is done. So first I'm going to move the trailer to the left. And so what I'm doing is I'm keeping an eye on the trailer and I'm moving the steering wheel and the trailer at the same time. And a lot of this will just take some practice. So what I would recommend is getting a smaller trailer that's not gonna screw you over. Because if you do this with a big old RV, you're gonna be in big trouble if you get that thing bound up or if you get that stuck. But if you do this with a small trailer like the one I've got on my truck, if worse comes to worse, you get a buddy, or you just pick the trailer up and you move it to the side. So that's what I would recommend. So as you can see, a lot of it's all based in the small movement. So now I'm gonna get the trailer going the other way. So it's all based in the small movement. So you can see I move the tires first, but then I don't keep the truck going in that direction, or what happens is you bind up the trailer because you get it going and you basically crimp it. And you get it going in the one direction. So you can see my hand is continually moving on the steering wheel, working the wheels back and forth, back and forth. And what this is doing is this is getting the trailer going exactly where I want it to go without getting the tail hitch and the truck and the trailer all bound up and crimped. You can tell a new driver, because what lots of times they'll do is they'll get the trailer going in the direction they want, but then they won't know how to properly orient the front tires to go back and forth, and what'll happen is the trailer and the truck will get bound up. All right guys, well that's basically it. Like I said, there's not a ton to backing up a trailer. Most of it is key. Most of it you want to focus on practicing, simply getting the trailer, getting a small truck, small trailer, going to a parking lot, practice backing this up. That way, if you do get in trouble, it's not going to screw things up, especially if you have an old truck like this. It doesn't matter if you get a few dents and dings, but key to this is practicing. Like I said, small movements. It's not big arching movements in the steering wheel. It's small movements, keeping those tires, the front tires oriented and working between the front tires and the trailer tires to get the trailer to go exactly where you want. So hey, thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Look forward to bringing more stuff to you as soon as I can. Look forward to seeing you then. Have a good day.